Hello and welcome. I remain Mustafa Lawal, and in this episode we will learn how to use table tool in CorelDRAW. So without much time wasting, let's just get started. Okay, so the text tool here, so you can see the shortcut F8. So when you check the drop down, you see the table tool there. You simply click on it to switch to table tool. I don't need to bring everything out since I'm not working with the tab tool now. So after selecting this tool now, you have option of choosing the number of rows and columns that you want. Maybe 5 by 5, 4 by 4. You can change it, but I just want 5 by 5 like this. So I'll go ahead. I'll click, hold down my control key and drag so that it will be in form of a square. Okay. Like I move, you can do it like, but just hold control key if you want. If you are looking for something perfect. Okay. So let me just leave it like this. So you have your table like this. So this table now you can edit it to whatever. Just look at this arrow now. You can edit it to decrease the spacing in between the cells. And see, just drag it up. Okay, drag it up like this. So that's one. So if you want to add a text on this now, just click and you write. Let's say like serial number. Let's go ahead and put A here. B, let's say C and D. Let's say 1, 2, 3, and what? 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so now you can select individual box. You can, if you want to select any box, you can do that. Okay. Okay. You can select the entire column. Look upon the arrow, the cross color, see the arrow in this direction. Click and to select the whole entire row. If you want to select the whole of the table, bring it here. So here, and click. Everything will get selected. So, and if you don't want to use shortcuts, okay, while still on the table tool, you just okay. Let me select it. Okay. So when you right click, you will see option to select cell, row, column, and table. Okay, so you can also merge cells, split into rows, split into columns. Like if you want to have more than one row here, we just say split into row. We select like 2. Okay, and we have another line within this row. We have another one again, but let me undo just to show you, not too much. So this text now we can decide to see the whole of this row. Now we can activate our text panel here. So where we can decide to go with center alignment. You can see they are now centered. We can change the text, okay, the font style to whatever you want. You can change to whatever you want. You can change the size. Okay, you can change the size. So let me just put like 24. So that is for the size. You can change the size to like 24. The same thing if I want to select this one now. You have to first make sure this your table tool is active. I can decide to go to paragraph. You center it. Now you can change you come to this character. Can just click on the forward sign, this value you assign for 24 points, and you have it like this. So you can see how easy it is to use this tool. You can decide to fill it in with text, like let's say good, average, okay, what's happening. Okay, okay, let's say 4. Okay, so and let's say good again. Okay, so you can select this color, and then you do the normal formatting. Let's go into center. You can character font to like Times New Roman. You can just select everything and do it instead of doing it separate like this. You can see that it's very stressful. Just select everything together. So to copy this entire row now, just you can just guys to the copy. You come to this other one, like you want to paste it there. You paste. Okay. You place selected or insert. So let me replace it. Then you just come here and change it on to 2. You can paste for others too. So now if you want to give this entire column, now if you want to give it a fill color, this is outline color, this is the fill color. So this is the fill color. You can decide to pick anyone from here and it is done. Okay, and see this color. You can do the same for others. You can even change your text colors, everything like that. So you can see how easy it is to use a table tool in CorelDRAW. You can split, just let me come again so that you see how you can split. Let's split this one. Split cells, okay, split cells into rows, columns, okay. And just click anyhow, like 3, okay. 3, okay. And you can see what I'm adding, even though just did it anyhow, okay. You can see the text is hidden, that is why it's showing this red. Like undo and redo. This is undo, cancel previous operation, you can redo it again. So you use Ctrl Z to undo, Ctrl Shift Z to redo. In case you want to bring back what you have undone again, you just hold down Ctrl Shift and then Z to bring it back again. Okay, so that is it on how to use the table tool on CorelDRAW. So see you in our next video.